Hey guys, welcome to DelftStack, and this is how to hide delivery ticks in Messenger. So guys, as of 2025, sadly, you cannot hide the delivered tick mark on Facebook. So on Messenger, there are no features to turn that off. Maybe in the future once they updated the application. But however, guys, you could do some alternative by just simply hiding the seen tick by disabling the read recipients to the chat. So from here, when you seen a picture or message, they cannot see if you seen it. So to turn that feature on, you can just simply go to the menu at the bottom right corner of the screen, the three lines, and now you can just simply go ahead and go to the settings. Now over here on the settings, you can just simply scroll down a little bit until you find over here privacy and safety. Now, here on the privacy and safety, you should be able to see here message delivery. And from here, you should be able to see some other settings when it comes to the message delivery. But the alternative solution is doing the read recipients and turning this off. So when you see the message of the person, they cannot see if you have seen it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.